Our white chili recipe is a favorite for any party.
Here's the ingredients you'll need. Don't forget to wash your hands.
Before we get started, we need to prepare some of our ingredients.
Drain and rinse 2 cans of white beans.
So we're going to want to chop up 1 onion. We're going to remove the top and the bottom. And then we're going to make slices all the way through, making sure to curl our fingers back so that we don't cut them. We're just going to chop all this onion up. Add to your slow cooker about a pound of chicken breasts, 1 diced onion, 2 teaspoons of mixed garlic or 2 cloves that's been minced, 1 4-ounce can of green chilies, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 2 cans of reduced sodium chicken broth, and 2 cans of white beans that has been drained and rinsed. Mix your ingredients. And then you're going to cover and put it on high for about an hour. Then you're going to reduce the heat and continue cooking for 4 to 5 hours. I believe our chicken is ready to be taken out of the slow cooker and shredded. So I'm just going to remove the chicken breasts and put them on a plate. Then I'm going to take a couple of forks and just shred the chicken apart. Look how nicely that does. Now you want to shred these into about bite-sized pieces. You're going to return the chicken back into your slow cooker. And then just give it a good stir. And then your white chicken chili is ready to be served.
Check out our recipes at
Eat, Move, Save.